How to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So if Meta AI is available in your region and it's not showing up in WhatsApp, go to the Play Store, tap on the search bar. Now search for WhatsApp. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now open up settings, go to apps, tap on app management. Now search for WhatsApp. Now click on force stop, go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart the application. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.